September 24th. Admissions started for College of New Caledonia. Programs available: 1. Accounting and Finance. 2. Business Management Diploma. 3. Post-Diploma in Human Resources Management. 4. Post-Diploma in Tourism and Hotel Management. 5. Dental Assistant. 6. Civil Engineering Technology. 7. Information Technology and Networking Diploma. 8. Applied Science, Engineering. 9. Criminology. 10. Fine Arts.
Contact us for 1. University shortlisting. 2. Application work. 3. SOP, LOR work. 4. Education loan. 5. Student visa work. 6. Coaching of IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, GRE, GMAT,